Okay, so now for this final video, we've done real price study. There's almost no relationship between the three things that price did ironically, but there's still some value that we can get. So we're expecting, so how do we take a trade off of this? Price is in a reverse trend channel. So let's look at these 3 points. Let's look here, let's look here. Okay, so let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and see what we can find. At this point,
If my phone is there, I'm charging my phone here.
I apologize for that brief interruption. Okay, so what do we see? I see a triangle. I mean, I can actually see an M pattern here as well. But the most apparent thing to me is a triangle pattern that broke through from the base. So now, let's go. Now let's zoom in. So what do we see here? I can see an M pattern somewhere here. It's quite clear. There's even also another. I think it doesn't count as an M pattern. This looks kind of like a range. Yeah, it is actually. It's a range within a range. So we have a range within a range and an M pattern before price broke through. On this second point here, it is actually another range within a range because the triangle pattern is actually a kind of trend range characterized also by an M pattern. So what we should be expecting in the most recent price action, we should be looking for a range of one kind or the other. This range could either be a triangle range or it could be a trend channel. But we are expecting a range, and this range will be characterized by an M pattern. An M pattern will appear somewhere within the range before price will go bearish. Either that or price will form a trend channel, then form an M pattern somewhere within this trend channel before breaking through. So one or the other is essentially our expectation. So that's it for top to bottom analysis on Ethereum US dollar. If we see either of these patterns, be it a triangle range or a rectangular range, we will know that it's time to sell this pair or sell this commodity.